How to set emergency contacts on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Health application on your phone. The iPhone's built-in Health application collects data from various sources, including your Apple Watch and other third-party apps, and presents it in an organized dashboard format. On this page, go to the top right corner and tap on your profile. Here, go to Medical ID. Scroll down and go to Emergency Contacts and tap on Add beside it. You can view all your emergency contacts over here. If you want to add more contacts, then tap on Add Emergency Contact. Choose the contact you want from here and then select your relationship with them. After that, tap on Done at the top right corner. Following these steps, you can easily set emergency contacts on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.